Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Injective. Wanted to make a video on that. Yesterday, Injective was relatively strong. Today, it's a little bit less, but I think it still has potential. So that's why I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. Wanted to do a full technical update on this. We'll talk about some fundamentals as well. But yeah, I think like I said, I think there's some opportunities here on Injective. It's still the weekend, of course, today, so it's always going to be a little bit volatile. It's always weekends in general. Like yesterday, we Injective got the main breakout above 18.5. I would say 18.5 is the main key level right here. We got the main breakout on a Saturday, so that's not ideal. A breakout in the weekend very often turn into a fake out. But the thing is that what's been going on for basically since the recovery last time around is that the whole narrative of Sei, Sui, Celestia, and Injective, which is not really a narrative, but what you tend to see is that they move together quite a lot. So for example, if you look at this move we had from the 13th until the 21st of July, so 13th, 21st, if you look at all those cryptos, right? So if you look at Sei, 13th, 21st, also very bullish. You look at Sui, 13th, 21st. Like they move together quite often. Celestia, a little bit less, but they move together quite often, and then some outperform, some don't. But the correlation is quite high. And now Celestia seems to be one of the weaker ones, but that also creates the opportunity for some sort of a mean reversion in terms of the mean of all of those cryptos together. I think Celestia I think Injective still has that potential. And then apart from that, what I like a lot about it at this point of time is that the key level we had, like I said, is here around 18.5. We broke down below that with the crash of last week, obviously. But I do think we have successfully reclaimed that level, which makes, like, then all of a sudden, if you reclaim this level and we're back in this range right here, between 18.5 and at the top, like 23.6, that creates a lot of opportunity from this area. Like that's a 20% move up to the next main resistance level. So that's why I think it's interesting. Now, the coming day, the coming 24 hours are absolutely crucial. And the key reason for that is that I think Bitcoin right now is quite bullish. I think Bitcoin had kind of the same thing where we also reclaimed a very strong key level. So that's bullish, which is now support. But what we need to see from Injective is that we can actually hold that level. All right, and the next 24 hours is probably when we're going to see that. I would say due to those fundamentals of the market being relatively strong and that whole rotation of those four coins, I would say it's most likely that we will dive down a bit lower, but that we will be able to hold that level and that we'll be able to start some sort of an uptrend. Where the first price target to be conservative would be like 21.5. But that's what I expect, all right? Like I said, in terms of what I expect from the markets, in terms of what I see or what I saw from the momentum from Injective earlier, which we did gain quite a lot of momentum, right? It has dissipated a bit, but still, price has been holding on relatively well as well. So there's some spot buying coming in as well. So there's reasons enough to be bullish on Injective. To buy right now is a bit risky, I would say. It would be better to see this breakout solidify over the course of the beginning of next week. All right, if it's able to hold that level, then I mean, technically there's almost nothing you can say that's bearish about it. Then fundamentally things can always happen, but yeah, that's why I'm bullish. Those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.